Understanding banking companies under the Companies Act, 2013. Banking Company, Section 2, 9. A banking company refers to any company which is engaged in the business of banking, as defined in the Banking Regulation Act, 1949. The Banking Regulation Act, 1949, provides a comprehensive framework for the regulation and supervision of banking companies in India. Key features and activities. 1. Business of banking. A banking company conducts activities such as accepting deposits, providing loans and advances, issuing letters of credit, and offering various financial services to its customers. 2. Regulatory oversight. Banking companies are subject to stringent regulatory oversight by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the central banking authority in India. The RBI regulates the licensing, operations, capital adequacy, governance, and risk management practices of banking companies to maintain financial stability and protect depositor interests. 3 types of banking companies. Banking companies can include public sector banks, private sector banks, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, and foreign banks operating in India, among others. Legal framework. Banking Regulation Act, 1949. This act defines the scope of banking activities, the licensing requirements for setting up banking companies, the regulatory powers of the RBI, and the rights and obligations of banking companies and their customers. Companies Act, 2013. While the Companies Act, 2013, primarily governs the incorporation, management, and administration of companies in India, it also provides general provisions applicable to banking companies unless specifically overridden by the Banking Regulation Act or other specific laws. Compliance and governance. Corporate governance. Banking companies are required to adhere to stringent corporate governance norms prescribed by regulatory authorities like the RBI, including requirements related to board composition, risk management frameworks, and transparency in financial reporting. Disclosure requirements. Banking companies must disclose financial information, capital adequacy ratios, non-performing assets, NPAs, and other key metrics in their financial statements and regulatory filings to ensure transparency and accountability. Importance. Financial intermediation. Banking companies play a crucial role in mobilizing savings from depositors and channeling them into productive investments through loans and credit facilities, thereby contributing to economic growth and development. Consumer protection. Regulatory oversight ensures that banking companies operate prudently and protect the interests of depositors and other stakeholders, fostering trust and confidence in the banking system.